Okay, you can die out here.
Let's do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. What's he doing? What's he doing?
Oh my god!
What the heck?
You guys, he's literally on our bed.
Wait.
Patrick, are you angry too?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
I can't see my forehead. What's your problem?
I want you to fuck me, Patrick.
What is this?
Here I come.
Only a fucking New York.
Here, X or something?
You don't know who that is? The Joker. The Clown Prince of Crime. My former partner in madness. The Harlequin of Hate. The Jester of Genocide. You've never heard of him.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
يا رياضة للمسبح عطادي يلا 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 بجيك في النادي.
Nobody loves me. Nobody. Oh boy, I sure am ugly. I wish I was good.
日も食べてない.
Aren't you cute? Here's a football. An American football.
Harry Potter.
Focus! What is that on the edge of the cup? Your restaurant has some explaining to do, Mr. Boostu.
Let's use the secret entrance.
Yo, yo. Hit a trick. Hey!
You know, I guess one person can make a difference. Enough said.
Well, I was coming out here to...
Glasses off.
Bruh. Okay.
Go ahead.
Well, I was actually coming out here to pick up a cupcake and then go back home.
Boy, if you don't get
Nothing that was going to be sexual involved.
really, nigga.
A batch of cupcakes, which I'm not gonna lie, they smell really fucking delicious.
Okay.
But I never was, even before this whole weight loss shit, I never was a huge cupcake eater. You know what I mean? Always been a little bit too fucking sweet for me.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
You're a lying son of a bitch, Sam, all right? And I hope you go to hell.
Don't make things worse, George.
Shut the up, Millie, you stupid chap.
Sit down, George. Not a
Shut the up, Clyde! You skinny, butt-munching I hate you. You know that? I really do. Because all you do is prance around school talking about your fucking fairy father.